Good morning. Cement is one of the most produced material in the world. It's that great powder when we mix with stone and water to produce one of the most consuming materials, concrete. Where we live, where we work, where we study, where we are now, may not have been possible to achieve without cement. On the other hand, the cement production is one of the biggest responsible for CO2 emissions, around 80% of the global CO2 emissions in the world, emissions that can further increase the global warming if nothing is done. Another sad fact lies behind the extraction and commercialization of the kaolin in the world. Kaolin is a white clay, and this white clay is large, whose the main reserves are in United States and Ukraine and in Brazil. In my country, it's estimated that around 90% of this material can find it in Amazon region. So this material then, which is found there in Brazil, is unfortunately used depositing large quantity in environment. So large quantity in the environment, and nothing is done in Amazon region. So what can we do to reduce these problems? The main effect with this problem, destruction of the kaolin in Amazon, are the aquatic ecosystem and the local population. So what can we do to reduce both problems, the CO2 emissions in the world and this problem, destruction of the kaolin in Brazil and the world, for example? We have one solution. For example, eco-efficient cements. In my proposal, for example, I want to take this material, this kaolin sludge, burn this material to produce the calcined clay. Mix it with other materials to finally produce the limestone calcined clay cement. This is a recent and promising alternative in the development of cement with lower environmental impact. With this idea, we can actually reduce CO2 emissions. We can save a natural resource. We can mitigate impact from the mining industry. We can use industrial waste which is produced around the world. It's made to achieve a development demanding, eco-friendly solution in the best way possible, thinking about the future. Questions?